No, Aaron, come on. Look.
Go, Bobby. Let's turn the light on. Oh, you just ran it in. Ah, it crashed. You gonna chew on it now?
He's like, help me tone it.
Which way do you want to go?
Who cares?
Here, Bobby. Let's go back this way. Go back towards Mommy.
Come on, push. He wants to walk around it. There.
It's okay, Bobby. You're doing good. Gotta hold it in place. Push it away. Push it towards Mommy. Please don't hold up.
Oh.
Here, Bobby, you want to ride it? Here. Here. Go for a ride.
Oh. Daddy, I'm lopsided.
Put your feet up here and hold yourself in place. Whee! Whoops, your feet are getting caught, Bubby. Keep your feet up. Here, let's go see Skater Bug. You're turning the wheel the wrong direction, Bubby. Is that fun?